Hello, Leon Tran here from How to Webmaster, and today let's review HackerRank. HackerRank is a website and online community for programmers that provides a platform for users to share code, learn from others, and solve problems together. HackerRank offers a variety of features and tools that make it easy for programmers of all levels of experience to improve their coding skills. Some of the features and tools offered by HackerRank include a code editor that makes it easy to write and share code, a library of coding challenges that can be used to improve coding skills. Beware though, the challenges can be quite difficult and it can be frustrating when you can't solve them. A forum where programmers can ask and answer questions, share tips, and collaborate on projects. A leaderboard that tracks the progress of users and allows them to compete with others. A variety of programming languages that you can learn. Get certifications on certain coding languages. Improve interviewing skills and get hired directly from employers using HackerRank. HackerRank is the perfect place for programmers of all levels of experience to improve their coding skills. The variety of features and tools offered by HackerRank make it easy for users to learn, share code, and solve problems together. Best of all, HackerRank is free for learners. Thanks for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more free tips and tutorials.